love the sound of those engines. After the attack on Pearl Harbor on December 7, 1941, ladies and gentlemen, from the right, here is the B-25 Panchito.
Seen on that fateful day, April 18, 1942. Just a couple days ago, we celebrated the 82nd anniversary of this historic raid. Suddenly, the headlines across America boldly celebrated American bombers hit Tokyo. Imagine the boost to morale of the American public and military. Lieutenant Colonel Jimmy Doolittle was promoted to Brigadier General and awarded the Medal of Honor. All of the raiders were given the Distinguished Flying Cross. Now, ladies and gentlemen, direct your attention right to show center. Here comes Panchito to go from your left to your right. The crew will show you the business side of the Mitchell bomber right here. The thrill of a flight, a ride on Panchito today and tomorrow here at Stanford. As we will describe on the next pass, crews in the field modified the aircraft into a much more potent weapon. Here it is, Panchito's level bombing pass. From the right. Now, if you haven't got the perfect picture of this aircraft yet, your opportunity is coming up right here. All right, as you see. Come on, Orlando, let's get it up for Panchito. Man, that is absolutely something. Well, today and every day, Panchito is crewed by
22, I mean, talk about history and innovation all in one photo. We are working right now. Come on up. We have some members. Can I use this? F-22, welcome back to the stage, Captain Sawyer Murray, I should say. Okay, tell me a little bit about being a safety with the F-22. What does that mean?
Yeah, absolutely. So my full-time job is flying the F-22 Raptor. I'm in the 94th Fighter Squadron, so I'll be up in the airboss stand watching Raz fly and making sure nothing goes wrong with the demo, as well as backing them up with checklists in case anything goes wrong while he's flying.
So do you have the same understanding of the checklist you both run in tandem? Is that correct?
That's right, yeah. He's got a checklist in the jet that if anything goes wrong, he'll pull that up. And then I keep the checklist on an iPad on the ground as well. So whenever he's running anything that he needs to open up a checklist for, I basically provide